The Water4All Partnership is an EU-funded initiative for scientific research and innovation for the water sector. Its goal is to tackle water challenges to face climate change, help to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and boost Europe's competitiveness and growth to achieve a water-smart society. The Pillar D of Water4All, led by Water Europe, intends to demonstrate the efficiency of innovative solutions through the water-oriented living labs. This is a series of interviews to the frontrunners water-oriented living labs that will join forces and collaborate in the next phases of the program. Enjoy the series.
Hello, Marisa, and thank you for joining this initiative as Water-Oriented Living Lab. Today, you are going to change your experience with us. So, Marisa is the cluster manager of ZINNAE. Welcome, Marisa, and I'm going to start with the interview. What are the innovative practices, technologies, and methodologies used in the Water-Oriented Living Lab?
To understand our innovative approaches, we should start by explaining who we are. ZINNAE is a cluster created in 2010, bringing together the quadruple Ls: companies, public administration, and social and scientific technical entities that are working in the management of the integral water cycle in our region. Then the association brings together the main water economic and social agents in Aragón, facilitating networking and cross-fertilization among them. ZINNAE developed a participative process in which our members share with us the challenges and needs encountered for the development of their work in terms of business development, innovation, market constraints, or available resources. According to these challenges and needs identification exercise, we define the innovation areas in which we should work in the next years to address them and become Aragón a frontrunner in terms of efficient water management. These innovation areas consider municipal, industrial, and agricultural use of water and promote the triple transition, digital, environmental, and resilience in the water sector. Some examples are project-oriented to circular solution in wastewater treatment plants, smart management of water supplies, removal of contaminants of emerging concerns, minimization of water footprint in agricultural activities, sustainable groundwater management, or predictive and preventive management.
Okay, thank you, Marisa. So next question is, what are the societal, economic, and environmental impacts and benefits of the local territory and community of the water-oriented living?
ZINNAE has a regional focus, meaning that the basis of our network relies on Aragón and work together with other regional clusters in the promotion of cross-sectoral collaboration, especially with those industrial sectors that require large water consumption and with also technology sectors. This collaboration is mainly oriented to the implementation of innovation projects that will result in new technologies, processes, and methodologies that will strengthen the business network in our region. Furthermore, since the establishment of the cluster, ZINNAE has worked on creating a progressive and solid connection with regional policymakers. As a result of this relationship, ZINNAE and the Water Aragonese Institute, which is the public law entity responsible for water issues of our region, has recently signed an agreement. This agreement plans to develop pilot projects in the Aragonese municipalities to analyze the performance of innovative technologies and processes for the smart use of water. So it is expected that this will be an important benefit for the region, providing solutions that respond to the real needs of our municipalities. Moreover, ZINNAE is leading, together with Aragón regional government and the regions of Central Val de Loire in France and Friesland in the Netherlands, and their respective water cluster, the Smart Specialization Platform Water Smart Territories, made up of 25 European regions and whose objective is to promote transnational and cross-sectoral collaboration in the water sector.
Thank you again, Marisa. So the next question, which are really two questions, are what are the lessons? What lessons have you learned, and what challenges have you faced, and how did you overcome them?
One of the main challenges encountered during this year has been laying the basis to achieve a solid financial structure. Actually, our financial structure is well balanced between public and private funding, and this has been a result of different areas of work during these years. For example, increasing the cluster visibility, or providing quality services to our members, become our ambassadors, bringing new entities to our cluster, or increasing the portfolio of services and adapting them to the water sector needs. Another lesson is the relevance of work together with the water public authorities. We have built a progressive and solid connection that relies on sharing common interests to establish a common roadmap about the regional interests and ZINNAE partners' innovation capacity.
Okay, thank you, Marisa. And what is the future vision now? Can you provide some tips and tricks for the water-oriented living labs that are currently in process of establishment?
Our purpose is to facilitate the connection between end user and solution providers to promote the development on innovative solutions and facilitate their market uptake. Furthermore, we already have established a network of water stakeholders at the European level through our connections and collaboration in project implementation and networking activities with water cluster in Europe, and also cluster focus on working in other related sectors. We want to develop this opportunity to enlarge our ecosystem by connecting with other WOLLs and their relative regional ecosystem. So to sum up, our main tip for other starting WOLLs is to dedicate an important effort to the promotion of collaboration. We have seen that working in collaboration brings the best ideas and solutions to the market and has a domino effect, such as unexpected new connections or new areas of collaboration other than innovation. Thus, we also recommended that the tools used to promote the collaboration consider the quadruple helix, since it is very important to involve all the perspective to create an ecosystem approach and mindset. Thank you.
Okay, Marisa, we have finished, and thank you very much for this very interesting interview.
Thank you very much.